15 common examples of homographs in English. Words with the same spelling but different meanings and sometimes different pronunciation. Bass. A type of fish. Bass. Low-frequency sound. Example. He caught a large bass. The bass guitar thumped. Bow. To bend your head or body forward. Bow. A weapon for shooting arrows. Example. He had to bow to enter. She used a bow for hunting. Close. To shut. Close. Near in space or time. Example. Please close the door. The store is close by. Content. Pleased. Content. The subject matter of something. Example. She was content with the result. The content of the book. Desert. A dry, arid region. Desert. To abandon. Example. The Sahara is a desert. Don't desert your friends. Lead. To guide. Lead. A heavy metal. Example. She will lead the team. The pencil has lead. Object. A thing that you can see or touch. Abject. To express disapproval. Example. The object is on the table. She will object to the plan. Tear. Separating something by ripping. Tear. A drop of clear liquid from the eye. Example. Please don't tear the paper. I found him in tears in his bedroom. Row. A line of things. Row. To paddle a boat. Example. The books are in a row. Let's row on the lake. Wound. An injury. Wound. Past tense of wind, wrap something around an object. Example. He suffered a wound in battle. She wound a scarf around her neck. Invalid. Not legally or officially acceptable. Invalid. A person with a disability. Example. The ticket is invalid. They provided support to help the invalid individuals. Wind. Moving air. Wind. To twist or turn. Example. The wind is strong today. He decided to wind the steering wheel to the left. Tire. A rubber covering for a wheel. Tire. To become exhausted. Example. The tire is flat. I tire easily at work. Dove. A type of bird. Dove. Past tense of dive. Example. I saw a dove in the tree. She dove into the pool. Refuse. To decline. Refuse. Garbage. Example. He will refuse the offer. Put the refuse in the bin.